Okay, my dear students, now I'm going just to start using this new tool, screencast. It's new to me, but it's, I think, very old in the market. I'm just going to start explaining what the brochure is about. The main objective of this activity with the brochure is to make you aware of all the all the aspects involved in the individual oral activity, which is our internal assessment. My dream, no, it is not a dream, it's a goal, because we can work to achieve it, is all of you to get 7 out of 7 in this internal assessment. So it is of high importance that you do really this, very aware of what you are going to carry out. Remember, the most important thing is that you have read the book and the books, read and reread, okay? Cutting and pasting from somewhere is not so good. You can watch the film, yes, okay. So this is going to be the brochure you have to design in the number 1, the phase number 1, internal assessment, parts, description, the criteria, okay? You have to use the IB guide, the IB guide, and in that context, you just have to take a look to the internal assessment higher level, okay? Okay, remember that it has sections, and what section is dedicated to. Then you have to go into the criteria, criterion A, criterion B1, criterion B2, criterion C. Okay, you have to read the guide very well, and you have to write it in this part here. You have to write it here, please. Okay, you go to the phase number 2. There is a list of, in the guide, 2 themes, okay, the ones we had already talked about, and now maybe some of you are specialized on one of them, okay? Here, important identities, experiences, human ingenuity, social organization, sharing the planet. Those are the themes, but there are sub-themes. Those are the important ones, the ones which are going to give you the real clue. Okay, then we're going to Animal Farm. Here we have the topics. Yes, you have to say what type of novel that is and why. You have to justify that. Here, the characters of that novel, Animal Farm. Okay, and then here, local and global context analysis. Okay, here we could talk about labor. We could talk about slavery. We could talk about organization. So how they organize, the type of organization, the type of government, and the experiences. Here there is in Animal Farm there is an important topic, which is literacy, which is reading and writing. And nowadays we have something else, which is computer literacy. Okay, and then number 4, it is about, that was then, this is now the topics, the themes again. The topics, remember, coming out of age, remember, relationship, brothers, violence, poverty, discrimination, dating. Okay, dating is important here. They are adolescents, remember. So here you say what type of novel this is, but it's not just to go into internet and cut and paste, my dear ladies and gentlemen. Okay, is what you really identify there. The characters, awesome. Okay, it's not just to mention the characters, but to characterize them. Please don't use just the spark notes or those things that you find in the internet. Okay, really go to the book. Local and global context analysis, remember. Here, labor again, I would say, working laws. So if children can work or not, what kind of work they can do in Colombia, they can do in the States, they can do in the United Kingdom. Context analysis, okay. The laws about children labor. Then we go back into the number 5. Okay, here we need to be aware of the words, nice expressions. When we talk about meaning negotiation, transition, conversational phrases. Meaning negotiation, what do you mean? Could you explain that? Could you repeat that again? I didn't quite get that. Those are examples, okay? So moving on to the next topic, or just talking about something different, those are elements that you have to write here, okay? Imagine that you are interacting with a person. And here, the number 6, we have some. You have to find some phrasal verbs and key vocabulary by themes. Okay, when we say by theme, it's about the organization. For example, in introduction, in I would say that was then, this is now. I will include that famous phrase, birds of the same flock fly together, something like that. I don't remember very well, but I will send it to you later. One of a kind. Many hands may work light. Okay, and we can be just having the most awesome work. Thanks a lot. Any doubt, just come back to me.